Mm-mm. Tumatawid. Hello, Lucy. Hello, hello. Good evening. Hello. Can you hear teacher? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, Lucy. Ah, oh, you're typing. Hi. Can you hear teacher? Can you hear teacher? You can hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So how are you today? Welcome again to our class. How are you today, Lucy?
I'm good.
I'm good. Wow. Wow, many, many hearts. Did you already eat your dinner? Did you already eat your dinner? Hello?
Yeah.
Did you already eat your dinner? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. What did you eat for dinner?
Thịt bò gọi là sao vậy?
Bạn đã ăn gì cho bữa tối?
What did you eat?
It's dry and meaty.
Oh, rice and meat or
Meaty.
chicken. Chicken? Is that correct?
Meat. Meat.
Meat. Okay. I thought it's chicken. Wow, that's so delicious. What kind of meat? Is it beef? Beef or pork?
Huh?
What kind of meat? Is it beef or pork?
Đó là loại
Meat.
thịt gì? Thịt bò hay thịt heo?
Thịt heo gọi sao vậy anh hai?
Huh? Is it pork or beef? Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh no. Hello, hello. Hello, Lucy. Where are you? Our time is ticking.
It's meat. Meat.
Ah,
Meat.
beef. It's beef.
Meat.
Oh,
Pig. Pig.
meat. Ah,
Beef.
meat, beef.
Beef.
Yeah, beef.
Yes.
Oh, it's delicious. Wow. That's so much delicious. Okay. So now are you ready to learn some new words today?
Yeah.
Okay. So last time, let's first review the words that we had learned last time. So we had learned about nature. So when we say nature, Lucy, it is everything outside, like plants, animals, or land. Okay.
Thiên nhiên là tất cả mọi thứ ở bên ngoài như cây cối, động vật và đất đai.
Okay, so that is nature. So we have here words that we learn. So again, what's this, Taimi? Okay, let me go to the picture. Okay. So what is this?
It's the tree.
Very good. It's the tree. How about this one? What are these?
It's flower.
Very good. It's flowers. Or these are, we can say, if we are talking about many things, so usually we say it as they are flowers.
They are flowers.
Okay, very good. And how about this one? What is this? This yellow thing, yellow colored thing. What is that? Hmm. What is this? Or what animal is
Duck.
this? Very good. So let's say it in a sentence. Let's say, this is a duck.
This is a duck.
Okay, very good. Good job. This is a duck. How about this? Do you remember what is this? S- Is this also a flower? Is this a flower? Look at the box or look at the square. Is this a flower? Yes or no? Hmm. Is this a flower? Is a yes or is it a no? Flower, flower. Hello, Lucy. Are you still there? Hello, hello. Hello? Okay, so again, Lucy. So what is this? Is this a flower? A
Gr-
yes or no?
is gray.
Okay, very good. It's grass. Okay, very good. How about this one? What are these? This one. Hmm. What are these? Is this a flower also?
No.
No, good job. What do we call this? So they float in the water. Hmm. Starts with letter W. Hmm. What's that? Okay, so it's okay, so we call this one, Lucy, as water lilies. Okay, let's see.
Water lily.
Very good. Lilies. Don't forget the IES. Lilies. Okay, so let's try to make it in a sentence. So again, what are these in the rectangle or in the box? These are,
Are water lily.
okay, very good. How about this one? This body of water. What is this? Is this a swimming pool? Yes or no? Is this a swimming pool? Yes or no?
No.
No, good job. What is the name of this small water area? What is the name? Hmm.
What?
What is the name? What is this? Look at the circle. The circle, circle. What's that? Hmm? Oh, what happened? Can you hear teacher? Hello? Lucy? Hello?
Hello?
Ah, okay. You can hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Ah, okay. You can hear me because earlier your video stopped. What happened? Okay, so now again, so let's go back to this small water area. So do you know what is this? Hmm, what is
What?
that? What is that? This one. Ah, you forgot. It's okay. So we call this as, again, this is pond.
Pond.
Okay, very good. Again, what do we call this water? This small area of water. This is,
This is pond.
okay, very good. So this is pond. So now let's proceed and review all of these pictures. So let me just show you some pictures here and you will name the pictures, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So this one, let's start with this. Wait. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, why is it? It's not working. Okay, wait. Let me just open the pictures. Can you see the pictures or no?
Yes.
Oh, you can see?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So let's again review this one. Again, what is this?
It is flower.
Very good. Flower or flowers?
Flower or flower.
Okay, what word shall we use? Is it flower or flowers? Flower or flowers?
Flower.
Okay, very good. So we will use the one with letter S because when we say flowers, so we are talking about many or two or more flowers. If we say flower, so we are just talking about one flower, two flowers. Okay, so this one. So can you tell teacher how many flowers can you see in this part of the picture?
Cái chân em ai rồi đó.
How many flowers?
It's two.
Only two?
Yes.
Two? Really? Okay, let's count. One, two, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and
Ten.
10. Okay, very good. So again, how many flowers?
It's ten.
Okay, very good. So there are. So when we answer the question, how many? So we usually answer it by there are 10 flowers. Okay, let's say, for example, how many flowers can you see? So usually we answer it by saying there are 10 flowers. There are
There are
10.
10 flowers.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Can you tell teacher how many trees can you see? How many trees? How many?
Is one.
Okay, how do we answer it? So we answer it by there is.
There is one tree.
Okay, very good. So for this one, if we are talking about one, or for example, we are asked how many. So we will answer it by there is or there are. When we say there is. So we use is if we are talking about one thing. There are if we are talking about two or more things. Okay, again, how many trees can you see? How many trees?
It's one.
How do we answer it? It's one. If our
Yes.
huh? If our question is how many, so we usually answer it by there is one tree. If we are talking about one, there are 10 flowers. If we are talking about many, okay, again, Lucy, how many trees? Lucy, how many trees? How many trees? Lucy? Lucy? Hello? Where are you? Lucy? Lucy, Lucy?
No.
Okay, again, how many trees? There is,
There is.
there is,
There is. Anh Hoài bắt con bật cái này lên.
there is.
Con mở nó.
How many trees? There is.
There is one tree.
Okay, very good. How many flowers? There
It's
are.
10. There are 10 flowers.
Okay, very good. So that is how we answer how many questions. We use there is and there are. Very good. How about this one? How many ducks? How many ducks?
It's one.
Okay, there is. How do we say it? We say it as there is.
There is
There's what? There is.
one dog.
Okay, very good. So there is one dog. Okay, good
One
job. Okay, so those are our natures. Okay, so next, so let's proceed and move on to our next category that we can see in the picture. So for this one, Lucy, when we say things, okay, let's first read. Let's say things.
Print.
Okay, very good. Again, let's say things.
Things.
Okay, good job. Okay, when we say things, Lucy, these are objects that we use or we see. For example, this one I have here. Do you know what is this? Hmm?
It's
What?
pencil.
Is it a pen or pencil? Oh no, wait.
Pen.
Okay, very good. This is a pen. So pen is an example of a thing. So it is what we use to write. So this one, okay, how about this one, Lucy? What is this? This one, what's this?
It's pencil.
Okay, very good. This one is the pencil. Pencil is an example of a thing. It is what we use to write and what we can see. So now, let's analyze all of the things that we have here. So let's first have our first thing